Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Try an exotic twist on the classic Christmas Yule log with this version. White chocolate and passion fruit dusted with coconut. It's almost too pretty to eat. It's a real showstopper that will wow your guests. Remember that the full recipe is in the description. For the passion fruit jam, add sugar followed by water and the seeds of 2 passion fruit into a medium saucepan. A quick mix to dissolve the sugar, then on medium heat boil for about 4 to 5 minutes or until thickened. When ready, keep aside to cool for use later. For the Swiss roll sponge, add eggs followed by sugar into a mixing bowl and whip until ribbon stage. That is, until you are able to draw the figure 8 without the mix collapsing on itself. Getting the texture is really important, as this is the foundation for a good sponge. This is what the mix should look like. Add the vanilla extract and sift in the self-raising flour. Quickly mix in and stop when you no longer have any large lumps. This should not exceed 30 seconds as the mixture starts to lose air bubbles. Scrape out into a prepared baking tray and gently spread the mixture. And then bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 6 to 8 minutes or until the sides brown. Avoid over baking, as this could lead to a dry sponge that may crack when rolling. And now onto the white chocolate buttercream. Bring milk to the boil and remove from the heat. Add in the white chocolate and then leave to stand for about a minute before mixing until smooth. It is important that there are no lumps of chocolate. When ready, leave aside to cool for use later. Into a large mixing bowl, add soft butter followed by vanilla extract and mix together for a minute until there are no longer any large lumps of butter. Then add the icing sugar in stages, mixing well with each addition. When the icing becomes stiff, add in the cooled down white chocolate mix and mix in. Add just enough icing sugar to form a soft and fluffy buttercream. If you feel that the buttercream is too stiff, you can add a teaspoon of milk, and if you feel that it is too soft, you can add a few more spoons of icing sugar. Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl to get any unmixed bits. Cut a piece of baking paper larger than the tray size and dust with sugar before placing the sponge topside down. Then gently peel off the baking paper. Dollop and spread the passion fruit jam, and then the same with a thin layer of white chocolate buttercream frosting. Lift up the baking paper and roll away from you to form a Swiss roll. When done, place in the refrigerator to firm up. Onto the last element of this gorgeous dessert is the meringue mushrooms. Whip an egg white until foamy and then add in the sugar a teaspoon at a time, mixing well with each addition. The meringue should be glossy, free from any bits of sugar, and hold its shape. Scrape out into a piping bag that has a plain nozzle and pipe out mushroom caps and stems in various sizes on a silicone mat. Lightly dust the mushroom caps with cocoa powder. And then bake in an oven that is not necessarily preheated with the door ajar at 100 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the meringue mushrooms peel off easily. With the balance of the white chocolate buttercream in a piping bag fitted with a small star nozzle, stick the caps and stems of the mushrooms together. Cut about a quarter of the Swiss roll diagonally and then place it on the side to make it look like a log with a branch. Pipe out a wood grain effect using the white chocolate buttercream. Then arrange the meringue mushrooms. Add on some colorful Christmas sugar decorations. And dust with desiccated coconut. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Check out some of these other videos for more Christmas inspiration. See you next time.